Good morning, guys. Today's a really exciting day. I'm in one of Switzerland's most beautiful cities, Lucerne, at the moment. I just woke up. It's a beautiful morning view. And I'll be getting the chance to build a mechanical watch today. I'm really excited for this because I'm Swiss and Switzerland is famous for many things, chocolate, cheese, and also watches, especially the mechanical ones that work without use of battery or anything. And since childhood, I was always really fascinated by this magic of this watch, basically being able to tell the time just by taking the energy from movement without needing any kind of battery or anything. So today I'll actually be getting to sit down at the boutique of Les Ambassadeurs, sit down and have a watchmaker course, and I will be learning to build my own mechanical watch, which hopefully at the end of the day I'll be able to put on my wrist and wear. I'm sure that if I do manage to build the watch, that I will have a souvenir for my whole life that will also remind me of my home country and some of my values and some of the things that I grew up with. So it's morning and I'm still strolling down the center city, but I'm about to head to the boutique now. Super excited to get started on this watchmaker course and to learn and see behind the magic of the mechanical watch. So I'm just about to head inside now. Hello, Serena. Hello. So this is the location where we will be building our watches. And I see we all have stations right here. This is our desks here. We're a couple of participants. This is not my desk. I'm looking for my desk. Okay, I think I found my desk right here. Okay, it's time now to get some lab coats to make us look really professional. So here are the choice of different models that we could do today, and there's basically two choices between dark background and the white one. I'm choosing to do the dark one, and I've got my set ready, already placed over here. These are all the pieces that I'll be needing to assemble the watch and hopefully bring it to life by the end of the day. And here are all of my other equipments that I'll be needing. I've yet to discover what each of them is for. Okay, so step number one is that we're gonna have to put on these. So first I'm taking out this base body and I'm going to place it into the holder so that it's stabilized. This is an oil that I'll be applying to the base, just to give the good movement and to make it really smooth. It's tiny. It's like a needle. So we've turned our works around now and it's time to commence working on the other side of the watch to start with part 2. Okay, so we spent all morning assembling our watches, all the base, and now it's time for the most exciting moment because we will be adding the hard piece of the watch to the watch, and in a few moments everything should be up and running. So I just took the heart out of the box right now. You can see it right here. And basically I'm going to flip this over. Okay, here you see it. And now I'm going to place it inside the watch. And if I do everything right, the watch will start moving by itself. $12.36 started. Amazing. So proud. Seems pretty set. So this is the final screw here. I'm just gonna take it out and mark it. So now is the next big moment, because after we brought the heart to a beat, it's time to add the watch's face, which is almost as important as the heart, because that's the thing you'll be looking at all the time afterwards. It's again placed in the watch holder so it won't move for stability. So I'm just gonna take it out of my case. I'm going to put it onto my watch. So the watch now has a heartbeat and it has a face. That means it's almost ready. Now I'm about to add the dials, which is the watch already knows how to measure the time, but I can't see it yet. If I also want to know the time, the watch has a way of telling me, which is using the dials. And I'm going to add those now. They're ready in these little pockets. I'm just going to take them out. Got them right here. You can see it inside the little bag. So I just grabbed my hour dial right now. It's so small. Did you see it? It's incredible. I'm going to add this one first. In place. The minute dial here, which is a little bit longer. And then we've got the seconds dial, which is still in the plastic bag. You can see it's really tiny. Very, very tiny. So all the dials are in place now. You can actually see the second dial is already moving. The final moment is here. The watch is all ready. It's got its glass on, and in the back you can see the movement that I made. It's incredible. I can't believe that I managed to make this in a little over half a day. And I've already selected the straps. It's possible at the Watchmaker course to select from a variety of straps. I chose the brown one, which I really like the combination of black to brown, so I'm going to mount this. And afterwards, all I need to do is set the time, put it on my wrist, and wear it. So we're all done for the day. It's early afternoon and I'm wearing my watch, which is now a working automatic watch that I'll be able to keep, and I assembled it in a little under a day here in the boutique of Les Ambassadeurs, and I'm really excited to be able to keep this tonight. By the way guys, this is a watchmaker course that anybody can book. So it's open to the public, you can register, you find all the details under Les Ambassadeurs, and you can give this also as a present, and it's a possibility to just take a course and build your own watch, which is pretty amazing, especially if you're interested in watches. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys!